Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, now Sophia, blow your candle and make a wish. 1, 2, 3, and blow. There's more!
More!
Right, congratulations, Sophia! You are now officially 3 years old! And
Okay lang.
Naman, so big up.
What's that? Ang hindi, okay, taray. Dito mo harang para nakikita ko taray.
Come on, open it. Go, Sophie, go.
Hindi niya napapansin mo yung iba.
Look at me, look at me.
Yes!
Yeah.
She's a sort like a girl with palsy.
Come on, open it. Open.
Paano ba? Madali pa yun. Wow!
Oh my God!
Hindi niya na i-video. Dito niya iharap kasi para nakikita ni Romel. Okay.
Pull it out. No.
No, it's Aubrey.
The gift of a great name.
It's Aubrey.
Sometimes.
Ay, nagalit. It's Aubrey's gift for you.
Ah.
Oh, pull it. Papa? What you will say? No, it's Aubrey's.
Skills will have improved immeasurably.
Okay, I will not help you.
You say thank you, Tita.
Say
Owen.
thank you.
Thank you.
Ay,
Say thank you.
Flying kiss.
Ayaw pa hawakan. Bahala mo siya, mas labas na. Hindi ko.